Hello and welcome again to another video tutorial. I'm Brian with GlueUp. During today's video, we'll learn how the primary member of your membership can manage the company and member information. As the primary member, you have full access to your company's membership information. You can edit fields and enable or display or hide your company profile from the membership directory. Primary members are also able to add more members to the membership. Let's look at a membership to begin. The administrative contact is the person directly related in the GlueUp system to the organization's membership. Many organizations use this as a billing contact, for example. Members added by the primary member will receive an invitation email to review their information and register for a GlueUp account. Primary members can also delete or transfer their role to other members within the organization. In the upper right corner, you can see your profile icon where you can access your GlueUp account and settings. From here, you can update your profile information and connect a LinkedIn account. In general settings, you can set up your time zone, the date and time format, what day your calendars start on, number format, and main language. You can also choose not to participate in the community or deactivate the direct messaging feature. This has been a tour of what the primary member's role can be within the profile of that membership and the community, and how they can access their profile. Thanks again for watching, and as always, have a wonderful day.